God, it is.
Oh my God. Look at that spot sign.
It's come out almost in our neighbor's yard. The brown trailer.
Behind yours, looking.
Is it? This is in Chris's front yard. This is the power pole. It's about halfway up the cove. As you can see, it's getting high. It's right up in the front yard. And this is the driveway. There's where the water is starting to come in at. And there is the front door. It's supposed to get up above that plywood. Now whether it does or not, I don't know. Like the river. There's the deer. I guess leave you go right there for a minute and I'll just show you how high up it's gotten. The river has come up to this point. Right now, this is the line where the river's coming in, and it's about to hit the porch. It's hard to believe, ain't it?
Oh, there's plywood and stocking down there. That's the bar.
Oh, good.
I'll just show the whole big picture.
This is Chris's back porch. The water is up to the front. Be a good video for your dad.
Go up there. That's the whole river, yo. All up in my damn backyard.
This is the back door.
That's supposed to be my damn driveway, but you know what'll happen.
Yeah, right there's the boards in front. Okay, I'm about ready to get out of here so we can cave in.
Your dad's coming in tonight.
Okay.
You'll be with us.
What we say?
Over Mom and Dad.
I can see it. Well, I bet if you turn the power on right now.
I can get your name, Christopher.
can't video all that.
Oh, dear God. It's raining. You hit that at me.
Give me a try. Give me a piece of that. Chris, my battery.
We'll see how stupid Chris hit.